Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. So in our previous video we have discussed about quick slot. So in this lecture we are going to learn another slotting technique named med slot. So don't worry if you are a completely beginner. By the end of this video you will understand everything about med slot easily. So without any delay, let's get started. So you know already what is slotting means. Slotting means arranging the data in order. Suppose let me write an array. Let me write the data. So 8, suppose this is our example 8, 3 and 6 and 1 comma 9 comma 2. So after slotting we should write this in ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 6 and 8 and 9. So computers slot data so that searching and process become faster. So now we're gonna see what is a med slot. So now we're going to see what is a med slot. So let me change the color. So med slot. So med slot is nothing but it means keep on dividing the list until only a single element remains. So then it means med slot backs into slotting order. That means suppose let me give a real life example. Suppose you have a chocobar. Suppose you have a big chocobar. Let me write. So this is your big chocobar. So you break into small pieces. So you break it into small pieces and then smaller pieces becomes even smaller. Finally, when all pieces are tiny, you join them back carefully. So this is exactly how metslot works. So let us take our previous example, that is 8 comma 3 comma 6 comma and 9 comma 2. I hope this is the correct example. So first step we need to divide. So first we need to write 8 3 6 and we are second subarray, that is 1 9 2. So we have divided this one array to two subarrays. So we are going to splitting it again. So this subarray will split into another subarray, that is 8 and 3 6 3 comma 6, and this subarray gonna divide 1 9 comma 2. So we are going to split it again. So this is single element, so we don't need to split again. So this should be split again. So 3 comma 6. So this is single element, we don't need to do that. So 9 comma 2. So finally now every group has only one element. So we need to merge and slot. So merge 3 and 6. So we're going to merge 3 and 6 and we are going to merge 3 and 9, and result we got 3 and 6 here, and he got 2 and 9. So now we are going to merge 8 8 and 3 comma 6. So it's gonna be 3 6 8, and we are going to merge 1 and 2 and 9. So 1 2 and 9. So finally now we are merging these two, means we are merging these two. So we are going to do 1 2 3 6 8 and 9. So final merge, compare numbers one by one. So smaller numbers goes first. So the result we got 1 2 3 6 8 and 9. So congratulations, the array is slotted. So how does merging works? Suppose we have 2 and 5, 2 comma 5. Suppose we have 2 comma 5 and 2 comma 1. I mean not 2 comma 1. We have 2 comma 5 and we have 1 comma 4. So compare first elements. So 2 and 1. So 1 is smaller. So write 1. So now compare 2 and 4. So 2 is smaller. So write 2. So now compare 5 and 4. So 4 is smaller. So we need to write 4. So only 5 remains. So write 5. So final answer is 1 2 4 5. So this process is called merging. So the merge slot algorithm means divide the array into two halves, keep on dividing until one element remains. So merge small groups into larger groups and arrange elements while merging. So continue until the complete array becomes slotted. So this is the basic concepts of merge slot. So let me write the time complexity for merge slot. So this is the time complexity for merge slot. The best case, average case and worst case all are same, n log n. So this is the important for gate exams. No matter how the input looks, merge slot always performs the n log n. So the space complexity also big O of n. So the space complexity also, let me write, space complexity also big O of n. So because extra memory is needed during merging. So the advantages of Metslot are fast for large data sets and guaranteed on n log n. It is a somewhat good slotting technique, stable slotting algorithms, easy divide and conquer approach. So it is used in real world application, as I given the example for Chocobar, that is a real life example. So the main disadvantage of mesh slot is it requires extra memory and more recursive calls. So let me give another real life example. Imagine you have two students. One student has the numbers one, let me write. So one student has 1 comma 5 comma 9 numbers, and another student has 2 comma 4 comma 8. So now they combine their numbers in order. Result we gonna get, so we get 1 2 4 5 8 and 9. So this is about the met slot. So let me revise it quickly. So met slot uses divide and conquer. So first we're gonna divide, and again we're gonna divide again and again and continue until one element remains. So the time complexities and the best case, worst case, and average case also n log n. So the space complexity also big of n. I hope this lecture is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thanks for watching and see you guys in the next lecture.